behalf of Tata Steel UK and Construction Excellence, a warm welcome to all of you at the Construction Summit. It's a privilege to be amongst the leading experts across the construction supply chain to share the core challenges of today, discuss how we work together, and to commit to drive the actions for transformation change required for now and for the future. The UK is leading the way through the excellent work we have been coming out of Transforming Construction Program, the Construction Leadership Council, and the Construction Innovation Hub's platform, rulebook, and value toolkit. It is therefore particularly pleasing to be joined today by Fergus, welcome, the Deputy Director of Construction at BASE, who will be giving this morning's keynote address, along with other key figures from Transformation Construction Program, Stam Stacey and Keith Waller. I had the pleasure to meet Keith. I don't know, somewhere. Hi, Keith. I haven't had a chance to meet Sam, but I think I'll get an. Hi, Sam. To make change a reality, it is critical to create a path for this to happen. To be able to jointly progress along the path, it is reassuring to have all of us important government representation from the Department for Education, Department for Levelling Up Housing and Communities, and also looking forward to hearing from Emma Wiggum later, representing the new hospitals program. Emma? Morning, welcome. To highlight the importance of change, innovation, design, and importance of collaboration across the entire supply chain, I'm pleased to welcome all of our guests today, from manufacturers to designers, from clients to consultants, from contractors to academia, and firmly believe we can work together to ensure the UK is leading the world in this space. Construction output in the UK is more than 110 billion pounds per annum and contributes to 7% of UK GDP. The construction sector is also resilient, with 2 years of growth during the pandemic, which was remarkable, reaching a historic record high above pre-pandemic levels. I'm sure that has helped all of us who have been so closely knit and part of the construction forum as well as the construction community, besides being citizen of the UK, which saw remarkable growth during the period of time. UK construction is one of the most critical sectors for Tata Steel UK. Around 60% of a business turnover of Tata Steel UK originates from servicing the construction sector with our varied products and service solutions. And one of the core values of Tata Group, and obviously with Tata Steel UK as well, is the feeling of responsibility towards the community, feeling of responsibility towards the nation where we function and where we operate. As the key player in the UK metal sector, we as Tata Steel UK feel responsible to provide customers and products and services they need to succeed, even such as today, allow the value chain to connect with each other and understand each other's offerings to build innovative solutions. Talking about innovative solutions, as a manufacturer, we have had varied experiences across sectors. We work closely with automotive companies for lightweighting cars, design new grade for engineering innovation, produce packaging steel for tin cans, which were also very handy during the pandemic, which is endlessly recyclable as well, and are working with our partners to develop new products to help decarbonize the energy grid as well. Today, though, we are here to focus on construction. We have been involved in supporting innovation through various platforms, our participation with the Construction Innovation Hub, adapting our products to be used in innovative forge projects and Landsec that you can hear more about later, collaborated and manufactured in the UKRI funded seismic project. You can see a live example and a demo and a prototype here. Initiated work with Innovate UK, AMRC, and Brighton Wood on Fast Trust project for industrial warehousing. Today is a chance for us as solution providers, idea shapers, and construction leaders to get together to better understand our needs, our responsibilities, and our commitments to develop a construction sector truly fit for the future. Talking about the future cannot happen without journey to decarbonize. At Tata Steel, we know we have a critical role to play within the construction supply chain. We have fully developed and started our own Optimus or zero Port Talbot emissions decarbonization journey. It will be a decade-long undertaking and will need the support of key stakeholders to ensure the policies and support are provided to that seen in other EU developed economies to meet our 2045 net zero commitment. We have committed to sign up to the Science Based Targets initiative, and at the same time, we are seeking responsible steel site certification for Port Talbot. Where we can impact quicker, we have already started on projects which will make our whole business a low carbon reality. A £5 million investment in a state-of-art electric arc induction furnace at the home of our world-class Celsius Tubes products in Corby, a $3 million upgrade to reduce waste at Shorten, the home of our market-leading guaranteed color-coated products. Shorten is also home to our Building Systems UK business that continues to develop new construction solutions to help increase productivity, reduce emissions in manufacture, and help customers save thousands of tons of CO2 in operational use. In order to help accelerate the transition to decarbonization, we have launched our Carbon Light Lower CO2 Steel. This carbon insetting scheme is an interim solution on the transition until we can fully decarbonize our operations. But right now, today, it can help the construction sector reduce Scope 3 emissions with a promise to reinvest in further decarbonization projects. Construction is a major part of heritage of Tata Steel UK, with our steel being used in schools and hospitals, industrial warehouses, stations, airports, and stadiums, as well as shaping some of our most iconic buildings globally, whether it be in Singapore, Dubai, US, or the UK. More importantly, the London skyline as well. We're working closely with universities and buildings. We can produce their own heat and power, new solar PV, which can be bonded directly to our roofing systems, high-strength steels able to reduce the embodied carbon in a building, and how the role of digital supply chain tracking can protect customers and business value. We are keen to see modular construction techniques transform the way homes, offices, and public buildings can be built and operate more efficiently. Also designed to the end of their life cycle, they can be recycled fully or reused in another building. Through projects such as Seismic, we can demonstrate a cross-construction industry collaboration where we have developed the systems required to produce or build a building in its totality. As steel producers, we can be blamed to use the word produce. We get used to say building. We are committed to provide the nation with high quality, sustainable steel and jobs. We are recognized for our transparent, ethical, and responsible reporting standards. We are committed to making sure we support the young people who seek apprenticeships with us, the graduates who can inspire our new products in the communities we operate. And with reference to that, I was just making a mention to Kevin that some of you would have seen the Chancellor's announcement yesterday, which is actually quite a good relief for the construction industry, where there have been some decisions taken to allow more workers to come and work here in the construction space. I'm sure that will be useful for all of us collectively. We want to help create a future for next generation, which is proud to be part of the UK steel and construction industry, a construction sector which not only achieves its net zero goals, but which supports the UK economy, which creates and supports green jobs, and which is looked upon with envy by the rest of the world. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy the day and all the interactions, and welcome again on behalf of Tata Steel UK and Construction Excellence. But before I leave the stage, I would like you all to watch a small video.